Hey y'all! Today we're going to learn Someone Like You by Adele in a few simple steps. Grab your keyboard and follow along. In case you haven't met me, my name is Sandi Lewanika and I am the owner of the Lewanika School. I teach virtual piano and voice lessons to children and adults. So today you're going to get some confidence on this keyboard. We're going to learn Someone Like You. And if you want to improve your skills, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can keep up with us as we continue to post new videos. Let's get into our lesson. In our last video, we learned our finger numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that last video is called Your First Piano Lesson, so check it out after this one. We learned the C scale, and we also learned our note names, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So today, we're going to learn Someone Like You. All right, so let's get into it. We're going to use our left hand first. So left hand 5 is going to be on C. Left hand 2 is going to be on G. Left hand 1 is going to be on A. And our third finger is going to be on F. So this is how the song goes in general. Literally 4 chords. Can you believe it? Never mind, I'll find. I almost forgot the word. Someone like you. Ooh, I wish nothing but the best for you. Alright, so again, we have 5 on C, 2 on G, 1 on A, 3 on F. That's your left hand. And in your head or out loud, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 for each of those notes. So C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. Your right hand. Your right hand is going to play 2 notes at one time. Your right hand. 1 is going to be on C. 5 is going to be on G. So remember, 1 is on C. 5 is on G. Your right hand is going to move up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is G. G, and D. So if you notice the pattern, from C to G is 5 steps. So between each of your right hand harmonies, there are 5 steps. So again, C and G. You go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You land on G and D. Then you go up 1 to A. So you have A and E. Go down 3, 1, 2, 3, to F. F and C. So again, we're only using 1 and 5. 1 and 5. C, G is first. Go up 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. G, D. Go up 1 step. A, E. Go down 3 to F and C. 1, 2, 3. F and C. Okay? C, G. G, D, A, E, F, C. So, both hands together. This might be the tricky part, but if you just keep practicing it, you will get it. So, C, press the left hand C first, and then press C and G together. So you have C, C, G together. Go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember that your left hand 2 is on 5. So G, G, D together. Do it again. G, G, G together. Go up 1 to A and E. A, E together. Then go down 3. 1, 2, 3. F, F, C together. Okay? So if we do that one more time, C, C, G together. G, G, D together. A, E together. And then F and C. F, F, C together. Okay, we're going to take it very slowly from the top. C, 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 G, C, C, G, C, C, C. A lot of C's there. So C, C, G, 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 D, A, E, F, F, C. So let's speed it up a little bit. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you basically have to sing the melody in your head. But this is the song. Literally, Adele and the producers said, we're going to use these 4 chords and we're going to make a hit. And they did. So, never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. And there you have it. It's that simple. So I hope you enjoyed that part. Check out our last video if you want a little bit more clarity on notes and the finger numbers. Remember, it's called Your First Piano Lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. So if you made it to the end of this video, give me a piano emoji, a hand raising emoji, a question. Give me something. Let me know you made it to the end. Hope to see you next time. Bye.